Dear students, let us solve few more problems on indeterminate forms. So here you can see limit 1 square plus 2 square until n square divided by n cube as n tends to infinity. It is not essential that every problem on limits should be solved by making use of L'Hospital's rule. Without that also we can find. So this is equal to limit. Now 1 square plus 2 square until n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 into n to the power 3 as it is, as n tends to infinity. So this is equal to limit n as it is, then n plus 1 can be written as n into 1 plus 1 by n. 2n plus 1 can be written as n times 2 plus 1 by n, and so on, divided by 6 into n to the power 3 as n tends to infinity. So this is equal to limit of, you can see n cube cancels, so we are remaining with 1 plus 1 by n into 2 plus 1 by n divided by 6 as n tends to infinity, and this is equal to 1 into 2 divided by 6, and that is equal to 3. Sorry, this is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. So this is the simplest problem on limits. Fortunately, as there are some students who have solved it correctly in FE4 as well as FE6. So you can take a screenshot so that I can move quickly for the next problem. 1 second, and the next problem is here. But before that, see, one student from FE6, her name is Taure something, 1668. I remember her roll number 1668, and she has solved it absolutely brilliantly. So this is, so she will be also getting one additional mark. Then this is the next problem. I want to tell you that these are taken from previous university question papers. Otherwise, showing it will be taking little time. And before going into the form, let us try to simplify the given limit. So L equal to limit of, so inside that bracket, some expression is there. I will be dividing both numerator and denominator by x. So that is a plus 1 by x upon a minus 1 by x, bracket to the power x. X tends to infinity. Now you can tell me the form. Which is this form? Which is this form?
1 raised to power infinity.
1 to the power infinity form. So there is exponent 1 to the power infinity. Okay. So what to do? We will take logarithm. Yes, very good. We will take logarithm. Therefore, log of L is equal to limit x tending to infinity. Okay. So x into log of, I think something a to the power x. So just excuse me, I will try to simplify as I had done. I will be converting it into simpler one by putting y. Put y is equal to 1 upon x. So that the new limit becomes L is equal to limit. Here, please, a plus y upon a minus y
minus y.
bracket to the power 1 upon y tends to 0. Definitely this is again 1 to the power infinity form. No problem about that. And now I am going to take logarithm. Log L is equal to limit. Tell me 1 upon y can be written as this, and log of bracket can be written as log of a plus y minus log of a minus y as y tends to 0. Is it fine? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which is this form?
Yes, sir.
Which is this form now?
0 by 0.
0 by 0.
0 by 0 form.
Yes, yes.
0 by 0.
Now this is equal to, we have to apply L'Hospital's rule. We have to find derivative of numerator and denominator separately. In denominator there is y. Derivative of y with respect to y is 1. That should be written in the denominator. So just forget that. We'll be just writing derivative of numerator with respect to y in numerator. And that is limit 1 upon a plus y minus 1 upon a minus y into minus 1 as y tends to 0. So this is equal to, tell me, 1 by a plus 1 by a, and that is equal to 2 by a. Log of L equal to 2 by a, therefore L equal to e to the power 2 upon a. This is the answer. Take screenshot. Okay, let us move further. One more problem. Evaluate limit cos x to the power 1 upon x square as x tends to 0. So let us talk about the form. What is the form? Please tell. Cos 0.
1 upon infinity.
1
raised to
upon
infinity.
1 upon infinity.
1 to the power infinity. So we are discussing problems of all the varieties. Let us take logarithm. Log of L equal to limit 1 upon x square into log of cos of x as x tends to 0. And now this is, yes, which is this form?
0 by
0
0.
by 0 form.
0 by 0.
0 by 0 form. Good. Now by L'Hospital's rule, limit derivative of numerator is 1 upon cos of x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now derivative of denominator, that is derivative of x square in denominator, that is 2x as x tends to 0. This is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Then limit sin of x upon x into cos of x as x tends to 0. So we can understand minus half times sine 0 is 0 divided by 0 into 1. So again it is, you can say that it is 0 by 0 form, but I will say that this is minus 1 by 2 limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x, and this is 1 upon cos of x, and the answer is equal to minus 1 by 2. Log L is equal to minus 1 by 2, and therefore L equal to e to the power minus 1 by 2. So this is one more problem we have solved. Take screenshot. Next problem. Evaluate limit x into e to the power x minus log of 1 plus x upon x square as x tends to 0. Please tell me the form.
Zero by zero.
0 by 0.
0 by 0.
Yes, yes. Therefore, by L'Hospital's rule, this is limit. Now see friends, x into e to the power x is the first term. Product rule. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 into second part e to the power x as it is. Plus, now first part as it is into derivative of the second part with respect to x minus derivative of log of 1 plus x is 1 upon 1 plus x. Now in denominator there is x square. Derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x, and we are writing it
2x.
in denominator. Yes. Now which is the form we are getting? E to the power 0 is 1. First term is 1 plus second term is 0. Third term is minus 1. So this is 0 upon 2 into 0. 0 by 0 form. We'll apply L'Hospital's rule once again. Limit of e to the power, derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. And already in previous step we have seen derivative of x into e to the power x is e to the power x plus x into e to the power x. So I will say that 2 times e to the power x plus x into e to the power x. Then minus derivative of 1 upon 1 plus x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power 2 and divided by 2 as x tends to 0. So this is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 1 divided by 2, and the answer is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the answer. So you can understand these are the problems in previous university question papers, each carrying about 4 marks. So everything is very easy to tackle. Let us discuss the next problem. 2 more seconds for the screenshot. Now the next problem. Yes. So this is another problem which has been asked so many times in the examinations. Tell me the form. Which is the form? Limit x tends to 0. Form सांगा की
0 by 0.
0 by 0.
Indefinite minus indefinite.
0 कसा येईल बरं? Pi upon
Infinity
0.
minus infinity.
Infinity
Infinity minus
Yes. Infinity minus infinity form. Let us see how we can simplify it. So this is, there are two terms. First term has denominator 4x, second has 2 into x into bracket. So their LCM will be equal to 4 into x into bracket. Now, first term is pi upon 4x. And here, as we have taken the entire thing as LCM, we have to write e to the power pi x plus 1. Yes. So whatever we have written, that is nothing but term 1, first term. Then second term is minus pi. I think I am missing something.
Into pi.
Into pi. Thank you very much. Into pi. Pi is really must be there. Okay. So now this is first term. Now second term is minus pi upon 2 into x into bracket, but we have written 4, so it must be 2 times. Okay. So I think it is clear to you as x tends to 0. Let me simplify this first, friends. So from numerator, pi will be common. I am directly taking it outside limit because it is free from x and hence constant. From denominator, 4 is constant outside. Let us simplify the numerator now. As pi has been taken away, we are remaining with e to the power pi into x plus 1 minus 2. And that is nothing but e to the power pi x minus 1. And in denominator, we are remaining with x into bracket. Okay, I will simplify. X into e to the power pi into x plus x. So this much limit as x tends to 0. Now please tell me the form. Which is this form? Please.
0 by 0.
By 0.
0 by 0 form.
0 by 0.
0 by 0 form.
Yes. So this is equal to pi by 4 into. We have to apply L'Hospital rule once again. So derivative of numerator in numerator, that is e to the power pi into x into derivative of pi x with respect to x, that is pi, minus 0. Now derivative of denominator in denominator. The first term is x into e to the power pi x. So derivative of x with respect to x is 1 into e to the power pi into x plus x into derivative of e to the power pi x. That will be e to the power pi into x into derivative of pi into x with respect to x, that is equal to pi. And plus derivative of x is 1 as x tends to 0. So this is equal to pi by 4 into pi into e to the power 0 upon, please tell, 1 plus 0 plus 1, and the answer is equal to pi square divided by 8. So take the screenshot. How many problems have we discussed till now?
5.
5.
5.
Okay. So let me see, is there any more problem? No, that's all. These are the 5 problems we have taken quickly. So thanks a lot.